Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will notify you whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, we're going to be doing lemon essential oil. So all you need for this video is just your lemon. So get a lemon and then first of all try and peel out the back. Whichever way you want to do it, that is fine. Just take out the back of lemon. So now I am done peeling the back of the lemon. I am transferring the lemon inside a glass bowl. So after that, I'm going to be putting oil inside the lemon. You can use any oil of your choice. I am using olive oil. So I'm putting the olive oil inside the lemon. I'm going to put the lemon inside my pot of water. I'm going to sit it inside the pot of water and I'm going to cook it in a low heat for about 15 minutes. So I have taken the lemon out of the hot pot. So I left it to cool down for about 10 minutes and I'm going to transferring it inside the glass jar. Make sure that you have cleaned your jar before you put your oil inside it. So I'm going to transfer it in there and I'm going to leave it for about 1 week inside the glass jar. Thank you guys for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.